Most people get this wrong when deciding whether to pay for Albert Genius. They either subscribe without knowing what they're getting, or they cancel immediately because they think every money app is the same. Here's the truth no one tells you. Albert Genius can be useful for some people, but it can also be an unnecessary expense if you're not using the features that actually matter. In this video, I'll show you exactly what Albert Genius offers in 2026, who it makes sense for, who should skip it, and whether the monthly cost is really worth paying. Let's get straight to the answer. Albert Genius is a paid subscription that unlocks additional features inside the Albert app. These can include financial insights, budgeting tools, saving recommendations, and access to cash advance-related features, depending on eligibility and account status. For someone like Alex who struggles to track spending and wants everything in one place, the subscription may provide extra value. But for someone who already uses free budgeting apps and rarely checks financial tools, paying every month may not make much sense. But here's the problem. Many people focus only on the subscription price and ignore the actual value they receive. A low monthly fee can still be expensive if you're not using the service regularly. This is where most people fail. They subscribe because they think it will automatically improve their finances. In reality, the tools only help if you actively use them. The app can provide insights and recommendations, but it cannot replace good financial habits. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest benefit for many users is convenience. Instead of using multiple apps for budgeting, saving, and financial monitoring, Albert combines several features into one platform. That can save time and make money management easier. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide if Albert Genius is worth it for you. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. First, do you regularly use budgeting and financial planning tools? Second, do you prefer having your financial information organized in one app? Third, are you getting enough value from the premium features to justify the monthly cost? If the answer is yes to most of those questions, the subscription may be worth considering. If the answer is no, you may be better off using the free features or exploring other financial tools before paying for a subscription. One more thing. Features, pricing, and eligibility requirements can change over time, so always review the latest details inside the app before making a decision. To sum it up, Albert Genius can be worth paying for if you actively use its premium tools and benefit from the convenience it provides. If you rarely use those features, the subscription may not deliver enough value to justify the cost. Now you know exactly what to look for before subscribing. If this video helped you make a smarter decision, hit the like button, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple guides and honest app reviews.